Cystic acne scars are frustrating, but there are things you can do at home to help minimize their appearance. Try applying salicylic acid to your acne scars daily. Salicylic acid exfoliates, cleans pores, and reduces redness and inflammation, all of which can help reduce the appearance of acne scars. You can also apply an over-the-counter retinoid cream to your scars. Topical retinoids increase skin cell turnover, reduce inflammation, and help lighten hyperpigmentation. Products that contain alpha-hydroxy acids are also effective against acne scars. Alpha-hydroxy acids are a mild type of acid that removes the top layer of skin to reveal new, brighter skin underneath. If at-home remedies aren't giving you the results you want, talk to a dermatologist about your options. Chemical peels, corticosteroid injections, laser treatment, and dermal filler are all possible treatments that can help with cystic acne scars.